Hello everyone. Today we're going to build cardboard gears. All you'll need for this is some glue. It doesn't matter what kind of glue, just as long as it's liquid. You'll need scissors or a cutting knife, like this one right here. An optional item are these toothpicks right here. You'll only need a few. If you're doing this on a table that might get scratched, then you might want some paper. You might also need a stencil, or if you don't want to use a stencil, then you can use a compass to make the circles. And
Cardboard, of course.
and some cardboard. Make sure that the cardboard is not squished on the inside. As you can see here, it's a perfect pattern. You also will need a ruler if you're using a compass. So the first step you'll need to do is take your compass or your stencil and grab your cardboard and find an even spot on it and place down your stencil. Place down your stencil and take your pencil and draw around the stencil. If you're using a stencil, ensure that it is more than 10 centimeters in diameter. Okay, now we have a circle on here, and you can use your scissors or compass to do it. You might also want to make another one so it doesn't get destroyed when you're cutting it. This is for the second gear. And Raghav, you can take the scissors. Scissors are easier. You can cut them out. Yeah. You can cut them out. All right, have you finished your squares? Circles? Have you finished your circles yet? Here, the next step we're gonna do is take the cardboard that you have and look along the edge for the pattern. Once you found that edge, take your scissors or your cutting knife and cut a thin strip along it. Now you have this with the little pattern that we need. Now, to get to this stage, you will need to peel the little edge off here. And once you have it, all you need to do is pull. Sometimes you'll have it get stuck and rip in half like this. Once you do that, once that happens, just dig under it and pull it out again. Now you have this, which we will wrap around the gear. And to do that, you'll need your glue. Make sure that it's long enough to fit around the gear. Once you have your glue, just paste it around the edges. Once you constructed this, leave it to sit for a few minutes while you construct the next one. Alright, so the final step is to take 2 toothpicks, or how many gears you have, and take your gear, your dried gear, and place the toothpick on whatever cardboard base you have, and place it straight down the center. Like that. And then you might need to hold it over the top, or if you have another piece, you can stick it on afterwards, but I'll show you that in a second. Now take your second gear, line it up with the first one, push it in, find the center, and press. So there you have it. Here are 2 gears that will spin indefinitely, or you can make them larger or smaller, and they'll work. Thank you for watching.